Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we will replace the dead battery in a post-2014 Hyundai key fob with a fresh one. We will use the tip of a very small screwdriver as well as the mechanical key as tools. We will also need a new CR2032 battery. We want to split the fob into its two halves, and Hyundai gives very little guidance for this. Regardless, we will need to remove the mechanical key. Press this chrome button on the front of the fob and pull the key ring end, and we have the key. We will now use the tip or edge of the key inserted into the gap left over when it was removed and twist carefully until it snaps open. You may need to pry it open a little more with the key, but we separated the halves by hand. If you don't see the battery, remove the circuit board and drop it into the plastic button protector in the other half. This reveals the battery with its markings down. We get beneath it with our screwdriver. And there is our CR2032. Slip the new battery into place, starting at the top end. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the cloth makes the battery quite slippery. You will likely need to make a final move with a finger and use the cloth to clean the back. Make sure the markings are down. Snap the two halves of the fob back together completely. Replace the mechanical key. Then test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.